it will be, if you take a look, okay, suppose we have a 3 by 3 grid, okay? Think of this as x of 0, y of 0. This is our center point. Think of this as x of minus 1, y of 0, x of 1, y of 0. This will be minus 1, minus 1, right? This will be x of 0, but y is 1. This is exactly on the axis, right? This will be 1, 1, correct? And this one will be, wait. This will be x of 1, y of 1. Yeah, that's correct.
Top is minus 1. Top left.
This should be minus 1, 1, right?
Yeah.
And this will be x of minus 1, y of minus 1, right? This will be x of 0, y of minus 1. This one will be x of 1, y of minus 1, correct? Okay, so now what we do is, so again, these are x and y values. So now you go to your calculator or write a small code and you start plugging in. For example, let's go over here. Let's figure out if I feed over here x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Let's say sigma square we pick to be 1 for the time, to make an easy case. Then what will this come out? Oh, there's a minus sign over here. Okay, I forgot the minus sign. So this will be 1 over 2 pi as an example, e to the minus 1, right? So whatever that number comes out. So the main point is we'll get some number over here, whatever 0.110, something like this, in the center point. Okay, same thing, you go to this equation and now plug in x of minus 1, 0. You'll get some number. Okay. Okay, these are not exact numbers, by the way. We calculated, it comes out to be this one, right? Same way, if this is 0.05, what will this be?
Same, 0.05.
Okay, let's say this comes out to be 0.02. 0.05. 0.02. 0.02, 0.05, 0.02. So let's pretend this is how it came out. And like I said, it has to be symmetric, more looking like, try to visualize this in the three-dimensional space. So let's pretend these numbers came out to be this. Okay. Is this a proper kernel?
No.
What's the rule for a proper kernel? Once we add up all the values. Should be 1, right? So remember, that's why for an averaging type, the add is sum is 9, so that's why we have to divide by 9. So how will we turn it into a proper kernel?
See what we get.
No, I mean add up all of them and divide by them.
Add up all the values.
And divide by that number.
So then it will become 0.02 divided by, divided by,
The sum of all the.
yeah, sum of all.
Sum of all.
Right? Because if I further do plus 0.05 divided by sum of all, then eventually it will come out to be 1. Okay, so every value, as you can see, will need to be divided by sum of all. Okay, so that's how we'll come up with the Gaussian kernel for a 3 by 3, right? Let me, what time do we have?
Fast.
Is it past? Okay, let me stop then. So next time I can show you the actual code. And by the way, next week I am traveling, so I won't be here, so we'll have an extra class on Friday, same time. If you're unable to make it, it will be videotaped and you can watch the video, but hopefully we'll be able to make it. Okay, I'll stop.